Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here, and I'm just finishing up my day at Universal Studios Florida. This video might be a little shorter than usual, but still some information you should probably know. But before I get too far ahead of myself, let's go back to the start of my day and see how it all went down. We'll just start here in City Walk because there's an update here that a lot of people will find important. The Starbucks here has reopened. Let's go take a look at the renovations. Here is a panning shot. And over here you're gonna see they have a new mural on that wall. There is another thing to note about this. This location now has mobile order pickup. Here is a quick look at the Coven Dead Coconut Club. Even if you're not going to Halloween Horror Nights, hang out here with friends. Here is our weekly look at the progress of the demolition of Rip Ride Rocket and the construction of whatever its replacement's going to be. The entire little loop-de-loop is gone now. But in the background there we can see the tower still stands. On the bridge towards Universal Studios itself, we have some new banners. Let me show you each of them. We have this one here for the Minions, representing the Shrek franchise. Trolls, of course. Panda Express. Oh, I'm sorry. Kung Fu Panda. Transformers. And two for the Wizarding World. This set here, Harry and Ron. And this set is Harry and Hermione. And the back side of the banners promoting the 4 parks. This one here, Epic. This one here has the lighthouse, so it's promoting Islands of Adventure. Volcano Bay. And of course, the theme park we're heading into today, Universal Studios Florida. By the way, checking out all the HHN banners and the medallion there, a quick reminder, I will be having Fright Night Friday this Friday. It will be a Halloween Horror Nights live stream. This afternoon, only half of the gates are open. This half over here. The Kamikuma, or however you say it, has a new popcorn bucket. $39.99. First fill of popcorn is free, and again, there's no type of discount when purchasing this item. So any merchandise that Kamikumi stuff is you're not gonna be able to use your pass holder discount on. There is a whole wall of this Kuma merchandise in the 5 and dime. I detailed this yesterday in a merch search video. I just don't know if the video you're watching now is gonna come out before the merch search video. I haven't edited either one yet, so we'll see. Regardless, yesterday they did not have the popcorn bucket for this wall of merchandise that I showed. But again, like I said, $39.99 for the Kuma. We'll just say Kuma popcorn bucket. By the way, on the head here, I see a button and what looks like to be maybe a speaker. So apparently it will it'll talk or make a sound or noise or something too. Hey, pass holders. Bad news, the pass holder discount store has closed. It closed, a little over a week ago. Who knows when they'll have another one? I'm confident they will eventually have another discount store for pass holders and team members. I just don't know when that will be. The Mega Movie Parade is 45 minutes from right now. We may be able to catch some of it. No promises though. Over here, at the end of the crooked lane, the cat ladies area for HHN, they've got this area blocked off and they have some tables in there. I don't know if it's for like VIPs or if it's just maybe anyone in HHN can do it if they move these later on, but I just noticed they're doing this now with these tables in this area. There's a new photo opportunity over here near SpongeBob Store Pants. This time it's for Gabby's Dollhouse. The movie that's coming out on September 26th. Well, the rain has started. Who knows how it's going to affect my video I'm recording right now. And What's going to happen with the Mega Movie Parade? Will it be delayed or will it even happen at all? The rain is about 90 minutes sooner than the forecast said it would be here. We'll see though, maybe it's just one little rogue cloud sprinkling on us. Does this duck even know it's raining? Whatever pigeon deterrent Universal was using has worn off. There's tons of pigeons in Springfield now. Let's step into Moe's. It's been a while since I've taken this test. The love test. That's not a good result. There must not be any lightning in the area as this outdoor ride is still operating. Ah, Krusty Land, the home to the Midway games here at Studios. In the last Islands of Adventure update video, I showed you the new pricing structure. It wasn't until I was home editing I realized I did not express enough of an outrage over the new pricing structure, which starts with one gameplay at $10. $10 for one gameplay? I don't know. That's outrageous to me. Into Diagon Alley to acknowledge a question I've been asked. I say acknowledge because I don't have an answer for it, but Wands by Gregorovich has been closed for a while now, and so has Globus Mundi. So people are asking me what's going on with these places. I don't know. I haven't even heard a good rumor that I'm confident in to share about it. I don't know, guys. But if I hear anything that I feel confident about, I'll share it with you. Eternels has not been operating either. This is a place where you could get some water and some potion to mix in your water, some elixirs. But, you know, this could just be closed because it's the slow season now. Mid-afternoon and Escape from Gringotts is a 35-minute wait. And the steps over here by Hagrid's motorcycle still chained up so that no one can access the steps where, you know, everyone used to eat ice cream. By the way, look at the blue sky. It looks like that rain just skirted by. For now. I would now predict that the parade will happen on time. Club Horror for Halloween Horror Nights. The stage here didn't always have this banner, but it has one now. Well, they're just now making an announcement over the PA system. They have canceled the Mega Movie Parade. Earlier I showed you the redone Starbucks in City Walk and mentioned it has a mobile order pickup. The one inside the park, it does not do mobile order. So that little operational change is only for the City Walk Starbucks. Let's go see how many days until St. Patrick's Day. 187 days, which means Mardi Gras is less than 187 days from now. I have not been in the Tribute store since it first opened, but I do have a small update for you. This pot now has a smoking effect, and there's some type of audio effect too. I can hear some type of spoken language coming from here now. Didn't have that before. I will let you know that I stopped myself. I was going to be a bit of a smart aleck and be like, oh, I have a huge update for the Tribute store. But I checked myself this time. I just overheard an interesting interaction between a mom and some kids. I'm going to pose the same question to you. Here's what she asked the kids. Right now, do you want to go to the hotel pool, Volcano Bay, or wait in line for rides? So you answer that question in the comment section below. You know what the kids said? The kids, they all said hotel pool. It's interesting right now here in New York City because they're not playing any music. That's very interesting. Maybe because the parade is supposed to be happening right now, I'm not sure. But anyway, thought I would share with you that the Mummy is a 25-minute wait. So when it comes to the demolition of Rip Ride Rockit, looks like they're starting at each end and working their way towards the center, because this is where the roller coaster used to go out of the old fire station and up and everything. And the Guggenheim Museum, the facade was right there.
Today's Universal Mega Movie Parade has been canceled. We apologize for the inconvenience, but welcome you to enjoy our other attractions and shows throughout Universal Orlando Resort.
Yes, we knew that. Well, what do you know? Illumination Avenue still has their music going. What's up with New York City? Here is the middle of Rip Ride Rocket, still intact. The side by City Walk, demolished. The side by the New York Museum, demolished. This one, spared for the moment. Oh, if we look off that way, there you can see the inclement weather. That must be moving this way. So I will go ahead and say goodbye and chahua-hua. Until next time, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun, and watch this next.